Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Syadatul Daraini. I'm from UIN Wali Songo, Semarang. On this occasion, I will present my project in the International Wali Songo Science Competition, Physics Olympiad. The title of my project is A Ruler Attached to a Vertical Spring System by Euler-Lagrange Equations. Let's proceed to the explanatory video. From the assembled system, it will move in simple harmonic motion. There are 2 points to be explained. In the first point, it moves under the influence of the restoring force that follows Hooke's law, where this force is proportional and opposite in direction to the displacement from the equilibrium position. F equals minus kx. When the spring is stretched or compressed and then released, the restoring force causes the mass attached to the spring to oscillate back and forth through the equilibrium position. In the second point, it moves under the influence of gravity, starting from the equilibrium position where the mass hangs vertically. When the pendulum is displaced from its position and released, the gravitational force creates a restoring force that pulls it back to the equilibrium position, causing the pendulum to swing back and forth. The constraints in this system are 4. Point 1, x1 equals to 0. Point 2, z1 equals to 0. Point 3, x2 squared plus y2 squared equals to 2l squared. Point 4, z2 equals to 0. The degrees of freedom in this system are 2. We can determine the degrees of freedom using the following equation. DOF equals to 3 and minus k. DOF equals 3 times 2 minus 4. DOF equals to 2. And the generalized coordinates are x and theta. Now, we look for the equation of the motion of the system. First, we find the coordinate transformation, which is x equals to L sin theta and y equals to r plus L cos theta. Then we take the derivative with respect to time, which is x dot equals to L theta dot cos theta and y dot equals to r dot minus L theta dot sin theta. Next, we find the total kinetic energy by first finding the kinetic energy of the center of mass and the rotational kinetic energy. For the center of mass equals to 1/2 mv equals to 1/2 m x dot squared plus 1/2 m y dot squared. So, the center of mass equals to 1/2 m r dot squared plus 1/2 ml squared theta dot squared minus ml r dot theta dot sin theta. For the rotational equals to 1/2 I omega squared equals to 1/2 I theta dot squared. So, the rotational equals to 1/6 ml squared theta dot squared. And then the total equals to 1/2 mr dot squared plus 1/2 ml squared theta dot squared minus mlr dot theta dot sin theta plus 1/6 ml squared theta dot squared. So the total equals to 1/2 mr dot squared plus 2/3 ml squared theta dot squared minus mlr dot theta dot sin theta. And for the potential of the system, which is V equals to 1/2 K times R minus R0 squared plus mg times R plus L cos theta. And for the Lagrangian, it is the difference between the total kinetic energy and the potential of the system. So, L equals to T minus V, L equals to 1/2 mr dot squared plus 2/3 ml squared theta dot squared minus ml r dot theta dot sin theta minus 1/2 K times R minus R0 squared minus mg times R plus L cos theta. For the Euler-Lagrange equations, there are 2 points that can be seen on the screen. So, the equations of the motion of the system for are mr double dot minus ml theta double dot sin theta minus ml theta dot squared cos theta plus k times r minus r0 plus mg equals to 0. For theta, 4/3 ml squared theta double dot minus ml r double dot sin theta plus mgl sin theta equals to 0. There are 2 examples. The first example is a spring scale. A spring scale is a device that uses a spring to measure the weight of an object. When a load is hung on the end of the spring will stretch and the scale on the device will show the weight of the object based on the spring's extension. The second example is amusement park rides, such as a pendulum ride, which uses the principle of a pendulum to provide an extreme swinging sensation. That's all for me. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.